Welcome back to my channel. It's me, and today we are going to show you how to cook BBQ ribs. Now this is one of our family's favorite meals, and I have got the dry rub here all ready to go. We like to use this one from a brand. We regone. Take our ribs here and we regone. Pat them dry with some paper towels. This just gets any moisture off of them, so that the dry rub is going to stick better. We love to serve ours on these Hawaiian sweet rolls. Put them on a cutting board and let them rest for about 10 minutes. Then you're going to want to go ahead and slice them up and serve them up with your favorite sides. We love coleslaw and mac and cheese. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you next time. Bye. They're amazing. Click the link below to sign up for our email list and be the first to know about new products, sales, and more. Go ahead and slice them up. Put them in the oven on broil just until they start to toast a little bit. And if you're making coleslaw, which we are, go ahead and get that started as well. A simple coleslaw is just shredded cabbage, carrots, and a creamy dressing. We actually used to buy the coleslaw from a grocery store all the time until we realized it was just as easy to make it ourselves. Next, go ahead and throw your dry rub on both sides of the ribs. Now we like to do about a tablespoon on each side. Again, you can use whatever dry rub you want. This is just our preference. And then go ahead and put them on a plate and put them in the fridge for at least an hour. The longer you can leave them, the better the flavor is going to be. But if you're short on time, 30 minutes will still do. It's a little bit sweet, it's a little bit spicy, but not too spicy for our kiddos. So we really like it. You're going to want the grill to be about 225 to 250 degrees. Now we're using a Traeger. So we're just going to hit that smoke button and let it do its thing. Once the grill is up to temp, go ahead and put the ribs on the grill. Now, if you're using a charcoal grill, I would suggest that you put some of the coals on one side of the grill, just so you can have one side that's hotter than the other. You're going to want the hotter side to be where you put the ribs, because you're going to want to cook them on one side for 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how thick the ribs are. So what we do is we put our ribs on. Then we close the lid and we set a timer for 45 minutes. While the ribs are cooking on one side, go ahead and spray them with some kind of barbecue sauce. We like to use a homemade one that I found on a website. Super easy and it's really good. But again, you can use whatever barbecue sauce that you want. We did try a store-bought one in a previous video, and that turned out really good as well. It's just a little sneak peek. You're going to want to baste them and then flip them and baste them again. So once they've been cooking for 45 minutes to an hour, go ahead and flip them and cook them for another 45 minutes to an hour. Again, it all depends on how thick your ribs are. But you can use your favorite dry rub, or even just salt and pepper if you want. That's totally fine. And if you have never cooked ribs before, don't be intimidated by them. They're super easy to make, and they're so tender and delicious when they're done. You will want to make these again and again and again. So let's get started. All right, first things first. While they're chilling in the fridge, go ahead and get your smoker or your grill fired up. While the ribs are finishing up, go ahead and get your buns or whatever you're serving your ribs on with toasted. Once your ribs are finished cooking, go ahead and take them off the grill. Hey, don't forget to stay updated on all of our awesome products. Thank you so much for watching.